show you a quick and easy to do the face mask from the bandana. Very easy because school start in about 10 more days, and this is very easy. You don't need to show machine, you don't need anything, no needle, no scissor, no cut, just only fold and go. Okay, this one I bought it from Walmart. Bandana 97 cents, and this one I got it from dollar store. Ponytail holder, 36 of them for $1. And for this style you need 3 ponytail holder, and you need the ribbon. If you want, you can do it. If not, you don't have to. Now I will show you how to fold. Just put it aside. You open the bandana up. That's it.